All right, this is the Zac Speed Dakar backpack. Somebody was asking me how I use it with regards to my drone work, and I'm going to kind of show you how it's all packed. It looks pretty big when you see it off your back, but the way that the straps are designed, it's the weight is balanced very well. When I wear it, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's very like it conforms very well to my back and my shoulders. First thing I have is through this. You gotta kind of undo it layer at a time, but like in this outer pouch right here, I have tools, and then that can fold down that way. And then inside here, this first outer layer, I have ropes for towing. And then the main compartment is the next layer down. And inside the main compartment, I have my tool bag. And in these Tupperware plastic containers are the drone. So you can pick these up at Vaughn's, and you fit them to your drone, but I got foam and I just put that in there to protect it, but the drone sits in there. And then in the other one, I have the controller and spare batteries. And then further down in the Zac Speed bag is the compartment for the bladder. And I can stuff extra things in there as needed. I use these little side pouches here for things like snacks that are easy to get to. This is what I just picked up. This is the POV add-on. And I can even go so far as to attach my GoPro with the gimbal on the front of this POV add-on. So very configurable, very easy to work with, and super comfortable. I'm very happy with it.